What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all very much for clicking on this video. We are here in Columbia, Tennessee, south of Nashville, about 35 miles, 40 miles maybe, and just got loaded. We're gonna take a load up to Amana. We're going to Iowa. We're just gonna go to Iowa, a little town in Iowa, I guess. I don't know. It's not. What's the big city in Iowa? I don't even know. It's been so long since I've been to Iowa. But yeah, we got loaded. We got like the first, I don't know, 6 feet of the trailer loaded full. So it's not very heavy. It's 1,400 pounds. So we're gonna put this thing in the wind and yeah, trying to make some money. It's a good paying load. Can't complain. I got a spider crawling on me. What the hell? Got a bug on me. Get it off. Get it off. I think we're good. All right. Yeah. So, where was I? Going to Iowa. We're going to Iowa. Yes, Iowa. So if y'all see me on the way, say hi. I love saying hi to y'all. Chit-chatting with you guys. And yeah, this is non-hazmat. This is Whirlpool stuff. It's AC parts or whatever. The totes that this stuff is in weighs more than the product that's in the tote. So it's interesting. So 1,400 pounds, but probably 1,200 pounds or 1,300 pounds is the totes in the pallets. So yeah, it's nice and light. But let's get on the road. Why not? Been talking long enough. Let's go. Guys, we are in Kentucky. Good old Kentucky. What time is it here? 7:24 p.m. Central Time. Running up I-24. We'll run this up to 64. And then run that over to St. Louis. Pretty much go north from there. Still got some miles to do. Got 528 miles left. Knock out most of this tonight. My ETA for tomorrow is going to be about 2 p.m. So I can drop and hook this load up until 1,700 tomorrow. I got plenty of time to do that. I don't know how long I'll be trucking What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning. We are here in St. Peters, Missouri. Stopped at this little QT here. I'm not greedy, y'all know that. I just needed one spot. I wound up being this one spot available, so it worked out. But I'm gonna go in here. I forgot creamer for my coffee, so I gotta go inside and get some creamer. Maybe just get some coffee, I don't know. And get on the road, get on up there. We got about 4 hours and 20-something minutes left of trucking to do. We'll be there. So drop and hook when we get there. We'll be there roughly 2:30, somewhere in that ballpark. Depends on how much time I waste inside getting coffee. So let's get on the road. I'm gonna get some Java first. Java. Yeah, Java. Let's get on the road.
Tiffin, Iowa, ladies and gentlemen. Tiffin, Iowa. We have 16 miles to go. Get over here to our destination. Drop and hook. Or live unload, whatever they... I can drop and hook up till 1700, so... we'll see what they choose to do. I don't know. I don't care. There's only a few pallets anyway, so... I think it would take just as long to get unloaded as it would to drop and hook. Find a trailer and all that kind of stuff, so... see how it looks when we get over here. What do y'all think of that? Still little, those girls had to be 12, 13, maybe 15 years old on that little bike. Like, put a helmet on, come on. That's scary. It's amazing as teenagers or as children, we find ourselves thinking that we are invincible. Like, oh, that wouldn't happen to me. Couldn't happen to me. It happened to anybody else, certainly, but not me. I'm too precious or too valuable, whatever it is, couldn't happen to me, and then it does, and we're just shocked. But as you grow old, I'm not old by any means, I'm 33 years old, but you learn the value of life, and you start taking steps, measures to prolong that life, whether you wear a helmet when you ride a bike, or you stop doing certain things, it's kind of stupid. To Amana, Iowa. Whirlpool. Over here, like I said, we got 14 miles to go, so we're gonna truck on down the road, and we'll get back to you.
here. We are 1.5 miles out, ladies and gentlemen. They kind of force you into the gravel over here, don't they? Tell you what, it is beautiful in Iowa. Like, it's beautiful. I like Iowa. It's really pretty. It's got the rolling hills, flat farmland. I don't know. I like it. It's very nice. And they're a constitutional carry state, which is awesome. A little perk there, like Missouri, Tennessee. Let's stick to trucking. What do y'all say? I seen I can't think of his name. Asian Mai. I seen his interview with the Iowa State Patrol. That guy kind of spilling the beans on what they do and what they look for and all that kind of stuff. Pretty interesting. A lot of it's kind of standard knowledge out here. We've been doing this long enough to kind of understand how it works. But some things I didn't know. So it's definitely really nice. Y'all know who Asian Mai is. He's one of the largest, if not the largest, trucking channel on YouTube. Does a lot of interviews, a lot of informational stuff that's really good out here for everybody. He's got an excellent channel. Little shameless plug there, right? I'm being honest though. He's got a good channel. I like his stuff. Point 2. I wonder if this is where I'm turning, where the Schneider truck is. I'm willing to bet it is. Say it is. That is the Whirlpool truck entrance, ladies and gentlemen. It's a tobacco-free and smoke-free campus. Alright, let's check with guard before entering. Where is the guard? Oh, right there. Alright. So I'm going to stop and check in. Yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. So this load obviously is not going to be a drop and hook. It's only a couple pallets. They said just go ahead and put it in the door. I had to put it in the door anyways, so I'm like, if y'all want to just unload it real quick, I'll just keep this trailer instead of dropping it in the door and then going to get another one. So she's like, yeah, we'll go ahead and get you unloaded real quick. It's only a couple pallets, no big deal. Yeah, they got me in this. Y'all seen it? This 44. That was a nice back end one. I got a Did a good job with that one. Always a good day when you can actually back into a hole correctly on the first try. It's always nice. But hey, it's all right. I might be here for a little longer than I expect, but it's all right. No big deal. My next load is going to be 44 miles away, and that is going to be something very, very different. Never done anything like this before. So definitely make sure that you guys check out the following video. Stay tuned for that. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified when we go live. And sometimes we go live with Nomadic Brit. We'll go live with VLAX18, some other YouTube truckers, just different stuff like that. So please hit that bell. It helps out the channel. Comment, let me know what you think, all that good stuff. If you're interested in a Nomad Trucker hat, Nomad Trucker shirt, whatever, any of that good stuff, I do have I got some in my pocket here. Let me get down in my pocket. Nomad Trucker stickers. Yeah, those are sweet, aren't they? Boom. If you're interested in something like that, please leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram, Nomad.trucker. You can email me, NomadTrucker2007@gmail.com. That's all in the description below. I love hearing from you guys. If you got any questions, whatever, feel free to ask me on any of the platforms. Again, as always, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. We got to get down the road to our next load, so these people need to hurry up. But it is what it is. We got the next video, the next load is going to be interesting. Like I'm excited to record it, to share that with you guys. So yeah, please stay tuned for that. As always, guys, like I normally say, please love one another. Let your family know you love them. Don't have too much fun out here on the road, because that's always a bad thing. Never love the fun, right? No fun at all. Stay safe, guys. Please stay safe, and stick up for your friends, all that good stuff. And yeah, I reckon we'll wrap this one up. I'm just kind of rambling at this point. So y'all be good, stay safe out there. I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you guys. Again, appreciate the support and the love that you've shown me and my family and the whole Nomad Trucking channel. Thank you guys. We're out of here, so deuces. Y'all be good.